Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify SEO settings for redirects and meta tags, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Shopify SEO settings for redirects and meta tags, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to see your current theme displayed. Locate the Actions button next to your active theme. Select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, search for the relevant template files. You may want to check the theme.liquid file for general meta tags. Look for the head section of the code to find existing meta tags. Identify any unnecessary meta tags that need to be removed. Highlight the tag you wish to withdraw from the settings. Press the delete key to remove the tag from the code. Next, look for any redirect rules in the relevant files. Redirects can typically be found in the 404.liquid or other route files. Open these files and review the redirect entries. Delete any redirects that are no longer needed. Make sure to periodically review your SEO settings to ensure they align with your current strategy. Once you have adjusted your settings, click on Save to apply your changes. Test your website to confirm that the changes have been successfully implemented. Lastly, consider documenting the changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.